Okay, just a quick review here on how to submit assignments. I've noticed some of you seem to be doing some work, but it's not showing up in Moodle, and I just wanted to be sure we were all on the same page with how we submit these assignments. I know it's a little bit different than Canvas, so I thought I would show you here just to be sure that everybody's doing this correctly. One problem we're having is assignments aren't shared with me, so I'm going to review that first, and then I'll show you how to submit it in Moodle. So we're going to start here by going into our Google Docs and find the assignment that we want to do. This is assuming you've already started on it. Maybe you haven't turned it in. So we're going to click here, the electron theory review questions. And if we're ready to submit these, we're going to come up here first and double click up here where the name is, because you can't edit it if you don't double click it first. We're going to change this date because it's not 2016. So we're going to go over here to Insert, Date, and there'll be a calendar. Pick the date. It was due on the 21st. Okay, and then we'll come in here and we'll put 4th period. That just helps me keep them organized. And then just click off back down here in the document anywhere, and that'll save. And now we're ready to make sure it's submitted in Moodle. Before we can do that, we have to share it. So we're going to go here, and if it says My Drive, then it's not in the right place. It has to say your name and electronics. So for example here, I'm just going to go back. This is probably what you'll see. And then you're going to scroll down until you find your electronics folder. Here's mine. And I'm going to hit move. And it's going to say that it's going to share it, which that's what you want. And you hit move. And it has been moved into my electronics folder. Okay. And then we can dismiss this. And then if it wasn't finished, we finish up the answers. And now we're ready to submit it in Moodle. So what you're going to do now is you're going to copy this link up here with right-click copy, or you can do Control-C. And then we're going to go over to the course, and we're going to scroll down. We're going to find this assignment, which was the electron theory review questions. We're going to click on that, and you're going to see the button here to add a submission. So we'll click that. Now, in this box, you're going to type your name. Just your first name. And once you do that, you'll be able to highlight this. Now that's important because when you highlight it, the chain here becomes active. And this is how you link it. You go here, you paste the URL that we copied earlier, and you hit Insert. And then be sure, and you may have to scroll down on your Chromebook to see this, make sure you hit the Save Changes button. Now, if it's correct, it will say Submitted for Grading. It will tell you if I've graded it yet or not. And, of course, it gives some information about being late. We're not really worried about that. And then here's a link to your assignment. And if you click this, your assignment should open up. Now, the only bad thing about that is if it's not shared, I still can't open it, even if that works. So you need to make sure that your folder is shared with me. So we can do that too. Click here. Click on your folder. You click this and it'll pop out. And then you should see a little shared icon here. And if you click that, it will tell you who it's shared with. And it should have me right here. Okay, should have you and should have me listed here. Alright, and so that's all you have to do. But make sure that you have put it into Moodle and that you can see this. Another place that you can check in Moodle is if we go back to the course, right up here where it says assignments, you will see the assignments listed, the due dates, and it will tell you if you've submitted it or not. So again, you can check here if you're not sure if you've submitted it. Now, a couple of these are different. A couple of these down here, you did not have to create a separate Google Doc. You simply have to talk about how gas pump safety is related to the study of electronics so far. And of course, you're going to talk about static electricity because that's what causes these fires. And so what you would do in this case is add submission. And you would just type your response in the box here and then save changes. So you don't have to go through the linking process. But that's for the shorter assignments. If there's multiple questions, I usually have you do the Google Doc because it just makes it a whole lot easier to work with than in this text box. So that's what we're doing. If you have any questions, let Mr. Hooser know. He'll get in touch with me, or he might be able to help you, and we'll do anything we can. Okay, talk to you later.